guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. The last video of 2024. Thank you guys so much for a great year. I definitely did not upload as much as I wanted to, and that was a lot, mainly because I was working at the airport and I can't make videos at the airport, which was the reason that I made this channel, was to record my life as an electrician every day, and that definitely hindered my uploading process. So anyways, with that being said, thank you for your patience. Let's just jump right into it. My 2024 goals and the results. And I'm just going to go through all these real quick. And some of these I don't know if I actually read out loud, but I'm going to go through them anyways. So my first goal was to be debt-free, which was to pay off $97,289.42. And I would have made it, except I lost my job in October, which was like 70 days ago. So, granted that tomorrow I get paid on unemployment, my $836, I will have paid off $92,000 this year, which is crazy, a crazy number out of $97,000, which is about less than $5,000 short, which is crazy to believe. I still can't believe that it actually has happened, and that I've been blessed enough to pay off that much money this year, which is insane. And then, yeah, we'll get into 2025 goals later. I'm getting ahead of myself. And then 2024, the second goal was to get no haircut. As you can see, I still got my hair, so that goal is going to be done. I'm recording this a day early because these goals are like pretty much set in stone. So I successfully did not get a haircut, and then things are going to change in 2025. That's all I'm going to say. Brush my teeth every day. I definitely missed some days there, so that one's a fail. Do physical therapy exercises every day. I definitely did not do that. Once I started feeling better, I just threw the exercises right out the window. And then no new credit cards. I definitely failed at that one, especially the last couple of months. I got like 2 new credit cards in the last month or two. And I love that free $200 sign-up bonus. You already know that. Read the Bible every day. Once I completely finished the Bible, I think it was a year or two ago, with the Dwelling app, which was amazing. I finished the Bible in like 3 or 4 months. Just listening to it on the audio Bible. I definitely did not read much of the Bible this year, which is terrible. So I'm definitely going to start dwelling again. Get back into a daily habit of that, which I need to do. Hit 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. So close, you guys. We're like almost 400 away from 25,000, but that's definitely not going to happen by the time you see this video, which is tomorrow at 3 p.m. So hit 3,000 followers on Instagram. I started with 1,779, and now I'm at like 2,075. So I got like 300 in like 4 or something like that, or 300. I don't know, something like that. 3 or 4 short of like 300. Hit $700 a month on YouTube. I came really close. If I would have had one more day in like November, I would have hit $700. I think it hit like $697 or $650 or something like that. But I think it was like $690, I want to say. But actually, it might have been, I don't even know. Anyways, it was a bunch, more than I've ever had any other month of any other year. So that was exciting. Daily Finances hit 500 subscribers on YouTube. I don't even think I made a video on that channel this year. Make 85 videos on Daily Electrician. I started with 1,915 videos, and now I'm at like 2017. So I hit that with some change to spare. Well, I mean, that was 85, so I definitely hit over 100 videos. So that's exciting. At least I hit that goal. And learn how to make salad rolls and peanut butter sauce, whatever you want to call it, peanut sauce, Thai peanut sauce. I just did that like last week. I learned how to make salad rolls. My friend came to town, my ex-girlfriend, shout out. She came to town and taught me how to make salad rolls from the recipe that she knows. And so we made salad rolls. It was a good time. And I've been making salad rolls like every single night since. I've already probably demolished like 26 salad rolls in like 9 or 10 days. It's crazy. And I've already gone through like 2 pounds of peanut butter, and I sweat peanut butter. So good times. That was too much information. But anyways, those are all my goals for 2024. I really only hit the no haircut, and I really think that was no haircut and make the 85 videos. and the salad rolls. Those are the only 3 goals that I got this year, which is terribly sad. So I'm going to make some more realistic goals for 2025 so I'm not this disappointed in myself next year. So stay tuned for that video tomorrow, January 1st. I'm like trying to like talk into the future because I'm trying to remember what day I'm going to upload this and what today is and all that stuff. But anyways, January 1st, 2025 goals. Stay tuned for that. January 2nd is going to be how much money I made as an electrician for 2024. So you're not going to want to miss that one. That one's going to be good. Very informational. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video didn't bore you too much. Thank you for just, I don't know, just caring about me, I guess. And just taking an interest in my life and what I got going on. And just there to support me along the way. So I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. I love you guys. See you in the next one and the next year. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day and an awesome rest of your year. Love you guys. Peace.